Are you looking for the best pre-filter air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pre-filter air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DAYETTE AP303 Air Purifier. The DAYETTE air purifier is designed to enhance your indoor air quality efficiently. It features a washable pre-filter that captures larger particles like pet hair, extending the life of the true HEPA 14 filter, saving you money. With its powerful H14 HEPA filter, it effectively removes 99.997% of tiny particles, ensuring you breathe cleaner air. The two-sided air intake allows for faster circulation, purifying spaces up to 3,000 square feet quickly. Plus, its whisper quiet sleep mode ensures a peaceful night's rest, making it perfect for light sleepers. What we like: washable pre-filter for cost savings, high-efficiency H14 HEPA filter, fast air circulation, whisper quiet sleep mode. Number 2. LEVOIT Vital 200 SP Air Purifier. The LEVOIT air purifier is designed to improve air quality, especially for allergy sufferers. Its powerful filtration system effectively captures common allergens like pollen, pet hair, and dust, ensuring you breathe cleaner air. With a high air intake, it quickly purifies large rooms, covering up to 1,800 square feet in just 1 hour. The HEPA sleep mode automatically adjusts the fan speed while you rest, providing a peaceful environment without sacrificing air quality. You can also enjoy the convenience of a washable pre-filter that extends the lifespan of the filtration system, making maintenance easier for you. What we like: effective allergen removal, fast air purification, quiet operation in sleep mode, easy maintenance with washable filter. Number 3. GoveeLife Smart Air Purifier. The GoveeLife air purifier offers powerful air purification for spaces up to 581 square feet, ensuring you breathe clean air every 30 minutes. With its smart capabilities, you can control it hands-free using Alexa or Google Assistant, making it easy to manage your air quality. The intelligent auto mode automatically adjusts the fan speed based on air quality, providing efficient purification without constant intervention. Plus, the turbo mode quickly boosts performance when air quality drops, rapidly eliminating pollutants for a healthier environment. What we like: high CADR for fast purification, smart controls with voice commands, automatic fan speed adjustments, turbo mode for quick cleaning. Number 4. LEVOIT Air Purifiers Vital 100S. LEVOIT Vital 100S is an air purifier that helps you sleep well, especially if you suffer from allergies or congestion. With the light detection feature, it automatically turns off display lights and limits auto mode to the quietest fan speeds when the room gets dark. In pet mode, it conserves energy while effectively trapping airborne pet fur and large particles through its wide U-shaped air inlet. The washable pre-filter helps the 3-stage filtration system last longer, and the H13 True HEPA filter, along with the high-efficiency activated carbon filter, traps pet dander, pollen, and neutralizes pet odors, fumes, and VOCs. You can create schedules and receive real-time air quality updates on the air purifier display or in the free VE-Sync app. You can also control air purifier settings, set timers, create schedules, check filter life, and connect to third-party voice assistants with the app. If you or your family members have allergies to air pollution, or are smokers, or always have mold in your home, etc., choosing LEVOIT Vital 100S is a wise choice to improve these air pollution problems. What we like: easy-to-use app feature, accurate air quality sensor, quiet and suitable for bedroom/office, washable filter and easy to replace. Good for people with allergies or pets. Number 5. GoveeLife Smart Air Purifiers for Home Large Room. GoveeLife Smart Air Purifiers for Home Large Room, also known as GoveeLife Smart Air Purifiers, is a smart and efficient air purifier that brings convenience and fresh air to your home. With its smart control via the Govee Home app and compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT, you can easily control and monitor the air purifier even when you're away from home. The auto mode feature detects the air quality and adjusts the purification speed accordingly, saving energy when the air quality is excellent. The 4-stage filtration system, including the H13 HEPA filter and washable pre-filter, efficiently filters out particles and odors, ensuring clean and fresh air. Certified by Energy Star, ETL, FCC, and CA65, this air purifier captures 99.97% of 0.3 micron particles in the air, making it perfect for rooms up to 991 square feet. Additionally, the quiet sleep mode with low operating sound and the pet lock feature provide a peaceful and worry-free experience. What we like. Smart control via app and Alexa. Auto mode adjusts purification speed based on air quality. 4-stage filtration system for efficient particle and odor removal.